Welcome to 1011 Beatty Road, Unit C2. This is a 1-bedroom, 1 full bath, first floor apartment home in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-26, Harbison dining and shopping, and a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So we came in off of the entry hall near the door to the building. You can see you enter into a nice size living area that is open to the dining area. You have updated luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. And then you have a coat closet here off the entry as well. You can see that the living room is open to the kitchen counter bar. Kitchen itself is a galley style with an included refrigerator, above range microwave, electric stove, and dishwasher. And then you can see at the end here you have a laundry closet and utility room. Space for a most likely stackable washer and dryer, but you may be able to fit a side by side if you put them on either side of the water heater or configure them some other way. You do have, of course, a full bedroom with a private bath as well. It's a nice size. You can see you can fit a king size bed in here if you would like. You also have a closet here behind the door, which is a nice size as well. And then the attached full bathroom, which has tile flooring and a tile tub and shower, as well as a large vanity. The strip lighting above. You can see the tub and shower here. So that completes our tour of this home, the 1011 Beatty Road, Unit C5. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.